So we're testing out some gear today. I just want to make sure that the winch that I've got, which is a fairly cheap Chinese one, just want to make sure that it's able to actually drag the car with the handbrake on at least, to just sort of simulate being stuck. So on the front bumper there, so we've got the two straps coming off here. We've got our winch cable here. There's very little tension on that. You don't want to go anywhere near this if there's high tension on it. There's our little winch down there. So this is actually a snatch strap. It's really used because it absorbs kinetic energy. It's more for pulling someone out. But I don't have a proper cable or rope, so I'm just going to use this once, and then I'll get a proper one. At this end we've got a couple of straps around the tree. This is to protect the tree and stop it getting ring barked. We've got some shackles here and the aluminium sort of pulley set up. Everything is oversized for the car, and the car only weighs maximum 1 ton fully loaded. All this gear is sort of rated for 3-4 ton. The shackle's probably more than that. So everything's sort of big, or meets the requirements plus to pull the vehicle along. Alright, so I'm going to stand out of the way now and we're just going to see how we go. So the handbrake's fully on. Alright, let's give it a crack. Now we've got our little remote control. Just going to stand right back. That's good. That noise is actually the handbrake slipping. You can see the back wheel there, it's sort of handbrake's trying to hold it back. Alright, I don't really want to go too much further than that because we've got that shackle heading towards the pulley there at the moment. But that's good, at least it's going to pull me out of a bad situation. It's a good test. So here's our fridge setup for the camping away weekend. So you just open that, hook that around there if you want to reach in and grab yourself something. We've got a few essentials in there, milk and beer. And just unhook that and drop it back down again. And so basically that back just folds down and clips into place, and away you go. Fridge has kept the beer and the food really cold. It's so far been really good. Lithium battery's not stressed at all, it's got plenty of charge in it still. So lithium battery should last about 3 days, so the idea is to go away camping on a long weekend and you've got enough charge there. And that's the new motor, had its 500k service the other day and it's running like a clock. I'm very impressed with the Type 4 motor. It's so much more torque. It's just a lot more robust than the Type 1. You know it's not going to fall to bits, you know it's going to be reliable, and it just starts up every time, idles nicely. Plenty of power, it'll cruise at 110 kilometers per hour at about 3,000 500 RPM, which is where your maximum torque is. So maximum torque's between 3,200 and 3,800, so it's just perfect for cruising along the highway. And it's got enough torque to pull you up those hills even when it's fully loaded. So I'm very pleased with it.